Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality into Xiaomi 12 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings. In this menu, go into screen recorder option. And now on the top we got two options, resolution and video quality. So if we choose resolution, here we got three options. For example, I want this middle option, tap, and it saves automatically. Go into video quality, and I want 100 megabits per second. So need to tap to video quality, choose this option, and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.